First, remove the fuel tank. Then disconnect the spark plug wire and connect it to a spare spark plug. Lay the plug on the engine with the threads contacting the engine, and crank the engine over to see whether there is a well-defined blue spark. If there is no spark, remove the spark plug cap. Check the resistance of the cap. If the resistance is infinite, replace the cap. If the cap is fine, check the ignition coil. First, unplug the electrical connectors and remove the spark plug wires from the plugs. Check the primary resistance. It should be between 1.8 and 2.8 ohms. Check the secondary resistance. It should be between 10 and 16 kilo ohms.